In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create lists in Slack, whether you're managing a project, organizing your to-do lists, or simply collating ideas with your team. Knowing how to create lists in Slack will be incredibly beneficial. Let's dive right in. First, open your favorite web browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type in "How to create lists in Slack" and press enter. Google will present you with a variety of results, but you'll want to look for a comprehensive guide or the official Slack help documentation. These usually offer the most detailed and accurate instructions. Once you've found a suitable guide, start by launching the Slack application on your desktop or mobile device. Make sure you're logged into the workspace where you intend to create your list. If you're using multiple workspaces, double-check that you're in the correct one to avoid any confusion later on. Now that you're in Slack, navigate to the channel or direct message where you want your list to appear. It's important to choose the right location because it will determine who can see and contribute to the list. This might be a public channel shared with your team or a private message between you and specific teammates. With your location set, move to the message box at the bottom of the screen where you typically compose messages. To structure a list, Slack uses a system of bullet points and numbering, much like many text editors. To start a bullet list, simply type an asterisk, then a space before your text. An example would be typing, "Buy office supplies" to create a bulleted item that says, "Buy office supplies." If you wish to create a numbered list, simply type the number 1 followed by a period, then hit the space bar before entering your first item. Slack will automatically format the numbering as you continue to add more lines. This is a great way to maintain an ordered sequence, especially useful for step-by-step task lists or processes. While organizing your list, consider categorizing items or using sub-bullets for additional clarity. This can be done by pressing the Tab key, allowing you to create nested levels within your main list. It's a simple yet effective way to visually break down larger tasks into smaller, manageable actions. Once your list is complete, review it to ensure everything is accurate and nothing is omitted. When you're satisfied, hit the Enter key to post your list to the channel or message. Remember, lists in Slack are dynamic, meaning you can always edit them later if necessary. In conclusion, creating lists in Slack is a straightforward yet powerful way to keep your team organized and informed. Practice makes perfect, so don't be shy about experimenting with different formats to see what works best for your particular needs. Thank you for watching, and happy listing on Slack.